Hey, my name's Jared. I'm an occupational therapist, and this is my review of the 3-in-1 Apple charger. I was given this product to review. Let's take a look at it. Okay. Ooh, I like the case that it comes with. So it comes with a really solid case. Like the packaging on it. Charge it with all 3 in a row, just one at a time, or even use it in different formations here. So on the back, you've got a USB-C that will plug right in. Nice thing about this is that it actually comes with a power brick. So you've got a power source automatically right here. So you've got the power brick and you've got a USB-A to a USB-C cord here. So that's nice. This device can fold out into 3, so that way you can charge your Apple phone, Apple Watch, and your AirPods. If you wanted to charge just your cell phone, place it right on top and let it do its thing. So everything is all wirelessly charged, which is nice. If you want to charge just your AirPods and your watch. I like the setup. I can definitely see this being great for vacation. I can definitely see this being nice to have everything all in one. You don't have to take multiple chargers, and this will just fold up nice and easily into your suitcase and take it with you. I can also see this being great for myself in the car. I travel a lot throughout the day, and when my devices die, it's a pain in the neck to have multiple devices to charge all at once. So this can charge from one car charger in my car all at once.